Hello guys, hope you to be very well. Today is Saturday, it's 12:14, and we are going to analyze the market and how it's going to happen, what will happen in this market. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. It had a good improvement on his trend. It's gone to upper prices. It was Bitcoin dollar, but this is Bitcoin USDT, but it has the same reaction and same behavior. When we thought that it's going to higher prices, and after that to the lower prices, and we have to see what's going to happen. You see RSI here that which is going to pull back or no. We're going to see and wait until to see what's going to happen. Here we can see we have two flooring. The trend is bullish. It's not merged. This is our second trend line. Our first line is almost has lower color. The second trend line is a lot more important than the first one, and it can have so many reactions on this trend line. So the trend is almost bullish. Ethereum, we told it to buy it step by step. We said buy it in 2%, and the second one in this circle I have drawn there for about 4% buy, and for example 6% you have here right now, and you can do it again step by step. You can buy it for 2% there, and lower prices you can buy for 4%. And 3800 you can buy step by step. It's good. Binance Coin one time has reached the first target, but it has neutral trend in market right now, and we have to wait for the result. For ADA, we said we buy with bias stop, and the trend is bullish. For 3.6 we have a target, and also for 3.8, and it is on trend line. We can buy it again, but it is so very neutral, and it's not good, but it can again have a good pump to the upper prices. It has, for 46 days ago, it has 185%, and it can go a little bit easier. Stellar, we can count on this. We can count on this. We told you to buy in this floor and put the target for 0.38. It is close to the target, and also as almost reached. We have to inspect that. We have to inspect that we have to check it out. Our team, I'm doing the analysis, and our team does the buying or selling of the market. But you have to put your targets in. Good prices like 0.38, and this is going to be accurate. So we have this precision in our job. For about 20% you can go out. 20% out. To go out of the market with 6% profit. If you haven't bought SLR yet, for buying again, let me check it out. You can buy between 0.30 367 and 0.360. In this between it's good. On XRP, what have we done to XRP? We bought here, and in the first target we said that it will go to higher prices, 1.4, 1.35, and makes a pullback, then buy, but nothing has happened yet. So we are in hold process right now. Polkadot, we are waiting for a almost reduction in price, and we're going to buy it again. For Dogecoin, we said it's a good time to buy, and it's suitable right now. And I will put this post for Instagram. This is a good place to buy Dogecoin, and we are in a good position, and we can buy it. In Bitcoin Cash, let's check this. One time we sold Bitcoin Cash. It went up, and this time was the last stop loss. It's not something. It's just making a behavior just like Bitcoin. For EOS, it can be good for short positions, but we have a good position. We have a good market, but if this trend line breaks, we can have a short position, and we can reduce the. We have to just, but the wise choice is to wait here and go for the buy. But if you have EOS, go sell for 30 or 40% of your properties. CHR, we bought it 3 positions, and now it is going up to reach the target. So almost 7.6%. We are in profit, and we can have for 15% profit. For Wink, we bought here, and it hasn't reached the target yet, but we will wait for it. 1 inch has, yes. Do you see this? This was the first target for 11% profit. It touched the target, and then returned to lower prices. So 11% profit and 20% we sell of our 1 inch properties. This was the first target, which has touched, which is so important. The second target is 3.9. 3.6 was first target, and the second target is 3.9 that we have got out for 20%. For guys who hadn't buy this, you can buy between 3.35 and 3.41 for the second time, which is good. For BTT USDT, the first target has been touched, and also the second target has been touched. So good. Okay, now just gone up, broke the target, broke the trend line. Guys, why I don't do the trading? As you can see in this analysis, if I was the trader, if I had BTT on short position, I would have told myself that we had short position in BTT. It came down. First target was touched, then it came back. So we have to go back and get out of short position and going into the long position. First target and second target was touched correctly. If I had short position and I was in 1 or 2% of losses, I would have remained on that. But I do the analysis, and my team do the trading. Then they do the job correctly. So be careful. This is so much important to have your patience on your control. Have your emotions on your control, and be patient to be succeed in market. And you should have for almost 24% profit. We have to sell 50% of our BTT properties. So if you haven't sold yet, it will touch one more time again, but it will have a lot more greater I mean, in higher prices, you can see BTT. He said this is the last floor that's 160 percentage that will touch it. Be sure about that. But do your save your profit, and don't make so much risk. 3RX Tron. We will wait for it to just get into lower prices. Then we buy. Matic currency, it's good, but let this break this, then we buy. For CHZ, oh, look at this. I told you to buy here, then here you buy. Don't be. Then you can buy again if it breaks this line. This was the first target, and we are in a good position right now, and so we are for about 70%, and our first target is 30%, which is so good. If you haven't bought CHZ, you have to wait. You should just wait. If it pull back to price 0.41, maybe it goes up completely directly, but if it got to 0.41, between 0.41 and 42, you can buy again. For Solana, it just goes up and just goes up with a high speed. Well, Alice that we sold completely, and never mind it. It's the X. Nothing. It's just not really good. Kava, it's a neutral behavior and has a tough position. Filecoin, we had a short position and we said get out, and we got out of that position. Sand City, it's neutral behavior, hot nothing, wet. Once we told you to buy here in the first and touch the first target, and if you bought in the first target of pullbacks on the first target, we're going for the second target. Don't buy it in between of these two targets. In 1 hour time frame, it will be a lot more better. It's going to be better. Fun USDT, just 1%. We bought just 1%, and it goes completely down, okay, and gets to lower prices. But be patient. The trend in market is completely bullish. I'll catch you later.